We are Sivaraj Spinning Mills. We stitch a legacy of excellence. Sivaraj Spinning Mills is a member of SSM Group, a leading name in the Indian textile industry with manufacturing units spread across Tamil Nadu and diversified interests in wind farming, textile and education. Sivaraj Spinning Mills operates out of its headquarters based in Coimbatore, factories in Dindigul and Tirupur, and offices in Guntur, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Ludhiana. We stitch from beginning to end. Sivaraj Spinning Mills is an end-to-end textile hub with operations that begin in the cotton fields of India and competes with finest garments with brand Chennai's. The organization is a domestic market leader across its 4 product portfolios: yarn, woven fabric, knitted fabric and ready-made garments. Sivaraj Spinning Mills boasts a loyal fan following that includes the top business houses of India and exports to more than 60 countries worldwide. We stitch spectacular growth. Sivaraj Spinning Mills started its journey 3 decades ago with 6,000 spindles. Today, it is one of India's most respected conglomerates and one of the very few privately held business houses in India that has grown with zero debt, targeting organic and inorganic growth. Sivaraj Spinning Mills is on track to meet its ambitious target of doubling its revenues within the next 2 years. We stitch binding trust. The group revenues have grown an astonishing 10 times in the past 15 years. This amazing track record of creating lasting value for all their stakeholders have put enduring smiles on the faces of Sivaraj Spinning Mills customers, employees and the society at large. We stitch responsibility. Sivaraj Spinning Mills is a socially responsible member of society. SSM Schools and SSM Engineering College are respected establishments founded by the organization to promote education. Sivaraj Spinning Mills is also committed to the Go Green movement through creating natural energy from wind power, installing rainwater harvesting structures inside all of its premises, and making other conscious efforts to reduce its carbon footprint. We stitch unwavering loyalty. Sivaraj Spinning Mills is one large family and home to more than 10,000 people. The organization employs the best talent in the industry and offers them a loving work culture, better standard of living, food, accommodation, transportation, education and a range of other benefits. We stitch high standards. At Sivaraj Spinning Mills, we believe that quality is a habit, not a goal. Our spinning operations kick off with the purchase of the best of raw cotton from Gujarat, Egypt and USA with direct supervision of the management. The end result of the spinning process is an exhaustive list that includes single, double cotton yarn, slub yarn, negative slub yarn, injection slub yarn, LE twist yarn, counts from 10s to 40s. We also do specialty yarn like Lycra yarn, BCI cotton yarn, fair trade yarn, Ecotex, organic cotton, contamination-free yarn, and so on and so forth. The storage spaces of Sivaraj Spinning Mills are climate controlled and store 6 months of cotton stock at any time. The spinning process commences in the blow room and the fibers begin to open up. Next is a mechanical process called carding that uses state-of-the-art Truschler and LMW carding machines to disentangle. This is followed by lap former, comber and drawing. Roving precedes the crucial spinning process. The spinning machines at Sivaraj Spinning Mills have the capacity to produce 70 tons of yarn every day. These machines are fitted with auto doffing and are attached to link corners. After spinning, all the cones are checked in ultraviolet rays, in addition to the numerous quality checks in place to ensure a superior end product.
We stitch pioneer production in yarn. We have started OE unit in the year 2019. We are having 7,920 rotors capacity. We are producing daily 70 tons of yarn. We are maintaining 6 months of cotton raw material at our warehouse. Blowroom gentle tuft opening. Uniform blend of material. We are running in blowroom 4 different mixing like 2s, 10s hosiery and 20s mixing for running yarn CSP 1500 and 2000. We are connected with all blowroom for contamination removal from cotton by using Jolcy Vision Shield along with Magic Age contamination. Carding for using good fiber opening and removing the nips and dust particles. Drawing better fiber parallelization and improving the yarn uniformity. OE producing BCI yarn, organic yarn and GRS yarn in our 37 model. We are using high-equipped quality control instruments in our lab for raw material, yarn and packing system.
Wastage perfection. Sivaraj Spinning Mills Weaving Division maintains strategically organized godowns where sufficient yarn stock is maintained at all times. The warping section is equipped with a state-of-the-art Beninja warping machine, which can produce up to 2 lakh meters per day. That's 73 million meters per annum. The looms section in Sivaraj Spinning Mills Weaving Division is equipped with 230 wider width and narrow width machines. State-of-the-art Toyota and Picanol looms with Dobby and Cam with E-shed facilities power the production of 75,000 meters per day. Aside from the numerous quality checks carried out at various stages, every inch of the fabric is physically inspected before the product reaches the customers.
Hi, I'm Sanjay. I'm the in charge of weaving division of this group. Majorly we are making all type of yarn. We are majorly known for the quality and the customer satisfaction. Currently we are exporting in Dubai, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, South Africa, Israel, Turkey, Vietnam, and we are targeting to export in USA market.
Knitting is conversion of the material into knitted fabric, which is then used to make t-shirts, inners and more. The knitting unit at Sivaraj Spinning Mills is equipped with 270 modern knitting machines and produces an A to Z list of knitted fabrics.
Hi, I am Balaji, heading knitting operations in Turku. We produce knitted garments such as innerwear, fashion wear and sportswear for our brand Chinese and world's renowned high street retailers. Our capacity is 2 million pieces per annum. Our business is customer driven, product centric, and we offer designs according to the customer's requirement.
Wastage, trend-setting fashion. Brand Chinese was born in 2011 to cater to the demands of today's young and fashion-conscious professionals, backed by a passionate team. Chinese delivers the latest trends in fashion for both men and women at an affordable price, from traditional dhotis to contemporary shirts, formal trousers to casual jeans, t-shirts, slips, leggings, innerwear and more. Chinese truly does have it all.
Hi, this is Subrata here. I look after this apparel and the garment business for this group. So in this apparel and the garment is one of their biggest initiative which we are taking to direct to consumer, which is kind of a B2C brand. The brand is originated basically from the ethnic wear, which is mostly popular in the southern part of the country for the white shirt, dhotis and all. Then they moved into a different segment of the consumer product like the casuals, the formals, and then moved into the knits, which are basically the innerwear as well as outerwear, and the most casuals like jeans and everything. So we have a huge range of product ranges. So we are bringing in a lot of value additions in terms of your usability as well as the consumer needs.
We stitch from beginning to end product. Spectacular growth. Binding trust. Responsibility. Unwavering loyalty. High standards. We stitch passion.
At Sivaraj Spinning Mills, we stitch.